Yeah, yeah, yeah. VS. Look. Girl, you was everything I need, and a woman ain't nothing less. So I always tried my hardest, I always gave you the best, I always told you the...
Alright, welcome back to the channel, loves. I'm doing a Valentine's Day get ready with me today. And first we are prepping the hair for the wig. So I just have two low ponytails, and I'm just spraying my hair with water and putting a little bit of Gorilla Knot and brushing it back. So here is the wig. Should look a little rough, but it's okay. So I'm just going to put some of my face powder on the lace because it doesn't really completely blend in with my skin tone. So I'm just put some of that on there to help it blend in. And now we're putting on the wig, and I'm trying to position it to where I want it to be. Making sure everything's right before I start putting the glue down. Okay, so now I'm wiping with alcohol, any oils or anything. And now we're using the Eyeshadow glue again. And I'm doing this in sections. So I'm doing the front part, temple to temple first. Now don't be like me, I went overboard with the glue. So I'm doing 2 layers this time. I'm doing a second layer, and I was pretty heavy-handed. Don't do that. Don't do it. Okay, so now I'm just putting a little bit more down, and we're gonna put that last piece down. Okay, so now I'm just taking my makeup brush and trying to smooth it into the glue, and I'm just getting this little flap. I didn't wait for the glue to dry 100% because I was impatient and it was late at night. So I'm just showing you what it looks like right now. You see all the glue hasn't dried yet, but it's okay. So now I'm wiping off excess glue and trying to clean up around the front. And now I'm tying my head up. You don't want to use too much of that glue because it's like Elmer's glue and it's gonna gunk up, and you don't want that. So we're tying, prepping for makeup. So now we're going to makeup, and I'm using the Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going in with the 2 brown colors for the base. I'm just tapping that on right now. I'm taking this red lipstick I got from Milani. I forgot what it's called. I'll leave it down below. And I'm only doing this like on the first half of my eye. Back into the Saharan palette, and I'm just gonna blend out my crease area, upper crease area. And now I'm taking this red liquid lipstick I had got from the Marshalls and just tapping that over top of the red lipstick. Now I'm going into Zulu palette and using that pink. I'm sorry, it's blurry. I didn't realize. And I'm just tapping that on the outer portion where I didn't put any of the lipstick. Okay, now I'm taking my NYX glitter primer. I'm going to be using 3 different glitters today. So I'm basically cutting my crease. And I'm just doing it so it's like the red lipstick is barely showing. So I'm using a light pink first in the first third part of my eye. And now I'm coming in with this burgundy red color in the middle part. And the portions don't have to be exact because mine weren't. They're kind of diagonal, sort of. They weren't even, but they still turned out pretty to me. And now I'm going in with a different shade of pink glitter on that final corner piece on the third outer part of the eye. And just tapping it on. Alright, and I'm going in with all those 3 bottom colors. And I'm going above where I put my glitter at with a pencil brush. And I'm just blending that in to deepen it up. And this is what it looks like. Alright, and now I'm just going to let you guys watch me finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'll come back when we get to the hair. Coming back, and I'm using the Edge Booster stick, and I'm going to put that around my part and a little bit in the front, my perimeter, to help slick that down. And I'm going to take my hot comb, and I'm going to go over the front everywhere where I put the wax stick is where I'm going to use my hot comb. You see finishing up the lipstick, and this is coming to the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys enjoyed your Valentine's Day, and anything else you guys would like to see from me, go ahead and comment down below. I hope you're already subscribed. If not, subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I post. And make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Everything is the same, Beauty B. And I'll see you in my next video.
Girl, arch that back, arch that back.